What's up, guys? After many failed attempts and breaking my mic once, actually, I have come to say that the Shaggy and Matt mod, they've both mixed together into a mod. And when I first saw that, of course, I was just like, but now I've realized that when I downloaded it, I got a virus protection from my computer. So I'm not trying that again. So I'm sorry to disappoint anyone, but I definitely recommend still watching the mod because it seems like an absolute banger. And if you tell me like it's trusted, you're not trusted. So I don't know, man. I just want to stay safe, and that's probably one of the things, like, in general, one of the reasons that has gotten me close to kind of quitting YouTube. I don't know if I'm putting this in the recording, but if I am, I got guts, I guess. So, sorry to disappoint anyone. I don't want to disappoint anyone, but I promise, yes, there will still be mod gameplays, and yes, I'm still going to be making memes. And yes, that dang watermark is going to be gone soon. So, bye-bye. Have a blessed day, night, afternoon, evening. I don't know. Have a blessed time in general. Goodbye.